Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how a fuel injector works in a bike. Fuel injectors are crucial components in modern engines, precisely delivering fuel into the combustion chamber. They replaced carburetors, offering significantly better fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. An electronic control unit, or ECU, precisely controls the timing and duration of each injection, ensuring optimal engine performance. This precise control helps your bike run smoothly and efficiently. Let's look at the key components that make a fuel injector function. Inside the injector body, you'll find the solenoid, pintle, and nozzle. The solenoid coil, when energized, creates a magnetic field. This field lifts the pintle, which is essentially a tiny valve. The pintle's movement allows pressurized fuel to spray out through the nozzle, ensuring a consistent and controlled delivery into your engine. Now, let's walk through the actual operation cycle. The electronic control unit, or ECU, sends a precise electrical signal to the injector solenoid. This signal energizes the solenoid, creating a magnetic force that pulls the pintle upwards. With the pintle lifted, pressurized fuel is released through the nozzle, atomizing into a fine, conical spray. As soon as the signal ends, a small spring quickly pushes the pintle back down, sealing the injector until the next cycle. Fuel injectors offer numerous benefits for your bike. They provide improved engine performance, better throttle response, and significantly enhanced fuel economy, often by 10 to 15%. Furthermore, they play a vital role in reducing harmful exhaust emissions, making your bike more environmentally friendly. To keep them working optimally, consider using a quality fuel system cleaner every few thousand miles and always use good quality fuel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.